Guys, can you believe that this Fulllace you are seeing here, I ventilated it in 2 days? Yes, you heard me right. In this video, I'm going to show you the technique I used to ventilate a Fulllace wig in 2 days. I'm serious, I'm not even kidding you guys. First of all, the method I'm using for this hair ventilation is the in-between method, but it's not the normal in-between method, you know. This time around, I'm just going to be skipping lines. Just watch what I'm doing. When I ventilate, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, and I ventilate the fourth hole. When I ventilate, I count up to 4 lines before I ventilate the next one. So I'm just trying to create a straight line. Then when I'm done creating the straight line, I'm going to come in between the straight line I just created and start adding in and start ventilating in between. Okay, just right in the middle, as you can see. Wait, let me zoom this video so that you are going to see what I mean. There's no difference between this pattern and in between pattern. The only difference is that I'm skipping 4 lines, but in between pattern I'm only skipping 1 line. But this pattern I'm using here, I'm skipping 4 lines, then ventilating the middle, just like you are saying. So I'm just counting each and every one here that I ventilated. I'm just counting 3 upwards, like 1, 2, and I'm going to ventilate the third hole. 1, 2, and I will ventilate the third hole. 1, 2, and I will ventilate the third hole. So I will keep on doing this until I get to the end. Okay, just keep watching, you are going to understand. And the good thing about this method I'm using is that your lace is not going to look scanty. Okay, it's not going to look scanty, it's still going to be full, it's still going to look natural, just like in between method. Okay, when I'm done making the straight line, I'm just going to come up each hair. I'm going to still count 3 holes and then ventilate the third one. I mean 2 holes and then ventilate the third one. So this is how I'm just going to keep on doing it until I ventilate all these hairs. So I'm just going to stop here. Watch me closely so that you are going to see how I was able to ventilate a Fulllace wig in just 2 days. Yes, you heard me, 2 days. That is if you are serious. So please, if you are lazy, it can't be possible in 2 days. But if you want to ventilate a Fulllace wig very fast, that it turns out looking natural, just use this method. Okay, tested and trusted. Okay, before I leave you guys to watch me ventilate, please always press the like button of my video, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, support my channel growth. Okay, press the red subscribe button, very important. Press the like button, make sure you drop a comment and every other thing. Okay, I'm done ventilating. I'm just trying to show you guys how it looks. You can see it's looking fuller, natural, so you don't need to be scared if your lace is going to look scanty. Just use this method instead of all those skipping holes. If you watched this video to this extent, I hope this video was very helpful. In my next video, I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to ventilate with slant method and in-between method. So subscribe to my channel, press the red subscribe button, press the like button, drop a comment. Okay, let's interact in the comment section. Okay, see you guys in my next video.